In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Monday.com with Jira 2026, step by step. If you manage work across both platforms, this integration will save you a ton of time by keeping items and issues aligned automatically. Before we start, make sure you're signed in to both Monday.com and Jira and that you have the right permissions in each. It also helps to know which Jira project you'll connect and which fields you care about syncing, like summary, description, assignee, priority, or status. Having that in mind will make setup smoother. First, open the Monday.com board where you want the integration to live. This could be a trial management board, a product backlog, or any workflow board your team relies on. Take a quick look at your columns and confirm they reflect the data you want to exchange with Jira. For example, if you plan to sync issue types or priorities, it's useful to have matching columns ready, such as status, text, people, or dropdown. Next, click the Integrate button at the top of your board. This opens the Integration Center, which is where all app connections are managed. You'll see popular connectors, a search bar, and a library of ready-made automations. Think of this space as your control room for linking tools and automating updates. Now choose Jira and pick a template. Monday.com offers pre-built recipes that describe a trigger and an action, so you don't have to build anything from scratch. Common examples include creating a Jira issue when a new item is added in Monday.com, updating a Monday.com item when a Jira issue changes, or keeping statuses in sync across both tools. Pick the template that best matches how your team works. One-way handoff, two-way updates, or status mirroring. After you select a template, the on-screen wizard will guide you through finishing touches. You'll be prompted to connect your Jira account, choose the correct site and project, and confirm which fields map between systems. Use this moment to align terminology, like matching a Monday.com status column to Jira's issue status, and make sure any dropdowns or labels line up with your Jira configuration. A few quick tips as you finalize: give your integration a clear name so teammates recognize its purpose. Keep field mapping simple to start, then layer complexity later. And if possible, test with a single sample item before rolling it out widely. If something doesn't sync as expected, review the integration activity or automation logs to see helpful error messages and adjust your mapping. That's it. Board opened, integrate clicked, Jira selected, template chosen. Once saved, your workflow begins running and your teams can collaborate confidently across Monday.com and Jira without manual copying. Thanks for watching and happy integrating.